My second project is titled The Vessel. And so the vessel explores not only the satellite Psyche itself, but also the Falcon Heavy, the rocket that launched the satellite in the first place. And so I knew I wanted to highlight, after talking about the asteroid itself, that the satellite would follow. We can't get there without it. And so I knew I wanted to highlight that aspect. This time I sort of shifted approaches and wanted to explore a different medium of art. And so I ultimately decided to use screen printing as my medium for this project. I had drawn up a couple designs of the satellite and the rocket, and they all looked very comic booky to me. And so I thought screen printing really lended itself to this style. I used very thick black lines, some a little bit of variance, and some cross hatching for shading to kind of get that comic book style. And during the project, what ultimately started as a time crunch situation kind of ended in more of an open-ended way for this project. I originally planned to screen print all of the different layers, and so I would only have one type of print. So this ended up being a 7 edition print where there's different colors on each print. So it makes them 7 different unique pieces. So I only screen printed the black outlines. And so after I completed that, it kind of looked like a coloring book to me. And so I approached that in that way. I used colored pencils, markers, watered down paint to fill in with to my heart's desire of what I thought that these rockets and the satellites should look like. I almost felt like a kid in a coloring book. And so ultimately, I used a lot of different colors and some inspiration from different sci-fi posters that I had seen before to sort of create those 7 edition prints.